Okay, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
children.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Fine.
We are
So,
fine,
children, we
thank
have
you.
completed chapter 10 decimals. Today, we are going to do revision on chapter decimals. And children, please remember tomorrow we will have a test, revision test, or we can call it as class test, chapter test on which chapter? Chapter 10 decimals.
Chapter 10 decimal.
Then children, we have to revise fraction 1, fraction 2 also, and to take the revision test before our PT2 exam. PT2 exam, you got the revision timetable and all. Yes?
Ma'am.
Exam timetable. Yes.
Ma'am, this is final exam.
No. PT2 exam. Yes, children. Now, all the children, please take your rough book. Write the question. We are going to do revision.
Okay, ma'am.
Revision
Okay,
on
ma'am.
chapter 10 decimals. Write the heading, write the question, everything. After some time, otherwise you will forget what we have done. Revision, chapter 10 decimals. Question number 1, write the integral.
Decimal. Okay, ma'am.
Mute your device. Some children, when they're turning the pages, everything, it's a disturbance. Write the integral part and decimal part.
And we want to write the question.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is the test.
Who's having doubt, my dear? Is it written on the test or revision? It is written revision. Children, please listen carefully. It's a revision on which chapter? 10 decimals. And you have to write the question and you have to write the answer in the rough book itself. And tomorrow we will be writing a test on the same chapter decimals. Is that clear, children? Now all the children mute your device. We are going to do it faster. If you are doing faster, we can write more question. We can revise more question. Write the integral part and decimal part. Question number A, 0.75. Question number B, 1.36. Question number C, 9.890. Okay. So this is what you had to do. You had to write the question. You had and first write down all the question. Okay. Question number 2. Convert the following into fractions. Convert the following into fractions. Convert the following into fractions. Question number A, 2.56. Question number B, 14.02. 105.89, 52.60. So children, we have A, B, C, D. That means you have to write 4 questions. First write down the questions, then we will start. To write the integral part. First write down the questions, okay? What, Preet? What's the doubt? Those who join now, please take out your rough book and start writing. Next one, question number 3. Convert Question number 3. Convert the following into decimals.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in the first question, the option C, what is that after decimal point? I can read that.
890.
Okay,
Convert the
Good
following
morning,
into decimal. Okay, those who joined now, we are doing revision on chapter 10 decimals. Write down, take out your rough book, write down the question.
ma'am,
Okay.
right question.
Write the question and write the answer. Convert the following into decimals. Sarah joined after, I think, long time.
Ma'am, we want to write questions also.
Yes. Question and answer. Otherwise, you will not, after some days, you don't remember what we have done. Is it to convert fraction to decimal or decimal to fraction? We will not understand. So what you have to do, you have to write the. So first we will discuss all these question number 1, 2, and 3 because there is no place here. Write down the question faster, then we will discuss the answer also. Question number 1, write the integral part and decimal part. Question number 1. So what is the integral part?
Ma'am, 0 is the integral part.
Okay, means the number to the left side, that is integral, and after the decimal point, what is that?
Decimal part.
Decimal part. So
Decimal part.
I will help you to write only one answer here. Question number A. What do you have to do? Integral part. Here before the decimal point, what is the integral part? That is 0. Okay. And what is the decimal part?
Ma'am, 1.36.
Huh? No, my dear. Question number A itself. 75. After the decimal point, 75. Decimal part is 75. And number that is to the left side. Number to the left side of the decimal point, that is the integral part. So integral part, write the integral part and the decimal part. How we will write? Integral part equal to 0, decimal part equal to 75. Okay, so like that, question number B and C do alone. Two minutes, then we will discuss the answer, then we will start question number 2. Okay, for question number B, Malavika, what is the integral part?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Okay, integral part is 1. And what is the decimal part? 36. Okay, 36.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Evelyn. What question number C? What's the integral part?
Ma'am, 9 is the integral part.
Okay. And what about the decimal part? Children, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong.
Decimal part 890.
Okay, 890. And those who have completed, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Next, we are going to start with question number 2. Convert the following into fractions. Convert the following into fractions. Okay, before writing the answer, can you tell me what we have to do for converting decimals to fractions?
Ma'am, write the number without the decimal point.
Yes, very good. First, write the number,
without the decimal point.
Okay, 256, that will be the numerator. And we have to write the
Count the number
Denominator.
of decimal
Count the
places.
number
Count
of decimal
the number of
places.
decimal places. Here 1 and 2. So what is the denominator?
Ma'am,
Denominator will be
after
100.
1, you have to place how many zeros? That is equal to number of decimal places. So what's the denominator, children, here for question number A?
100.
100. Very good. 100. You can complete question number B, C, and D. Okay. So here, first write the number without any decimal point. That is our numerator. Then divided by 1 followed by, you have to see how many zeros. The number of zeros and the number of decimal places, they are same. Here there are 2 decimal places. So here there are 2 zeros. Yes, clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is this? 23 by. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Who join now? Please take out the rough book. We are doing revision questions from chapter 10 decimals. Take out your rough book faster, then complete. Next question, Ivana Paul, can you tell me what is the answer of question number 2B? Question number 2B.
B. 14.02.
14.02. How we can write as a fraction? First, what we have to do?
2 by 100.
1402. How to read that number? 1000.
1,403. 1,403.
1002 divided. Zia, please mute because there is a disturbance from Zia, Hari Govind also. Please take out your rough book and start writing. Okay. So, children, Hari, please mute because you are. Hari Govind, please take the
Ma'am, can you
rough
share
book
the board?
and write down the questions. A revision question. Okay. Now 1402 divided by 100. So how to read that number, children? 1402 divided by 100. Okay. Akshay, question number C. The answer for question number C.
C. 1,000.
My dear, first write the number without any decimal point and count the number of zeros and read the number. Now count the number of places.
8.
How many digits are there?
2.
No, my dear.
Hello.
The number, yes, 2 digits are there. Okay, I'm not asking about the denominator. Read numerator.
105.
105.89. So what is the first step? Write the number without any
Without decimal point.
decimal point. Now I
Yes.
want the number without decimal point. How to read that number? Count the number of digits. How many digits are there?
10,500.
That is 10,500. Okay, read 10,000.
589
Okay, very good. Divided by?
divided by 10.
Why 10? Tell me.
Uh,
After the decimal point, how many digits are there? After the decimal point, how many digits? 2. So 1, 2. So divided 1 followed by how many zeros should be there?
100.
How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, so that is 100. Okay. So children, first what you have to do? Write the number without any decimal point. Okay. Then divided by 1 followed by how many zeros? You have to count the decimal places. Here 1, this 2. So there should be 2 zeros. Is that clear, children? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Ashwati,
ma'am.
tell me the last answer. Question number D.
Question number D. 5,260
Hmm.
by 100.
Very good. 100. Yes. So children, what is the first step? Write the number without any decimal point. So you will write 5, 2, 6, 0. Well, how to
Yes,
read that
ma'am.
number? 5,260.
5,260.
And how you know this is 100? Because you will count the decimal places. After the decimal point, we have 1, 2. Two digits
decimal
are there.
places.
So there should be 2
2 zeros.
zeros. Is that
Which is 100.
correct, children? How many got these two questions? That is question number 1, question number 2. All correct. Can you raise your hand? Yes, children. So what is the very good? Is there any doubt for you? Some children are, I think, joined late. Okay, I can see that.
No doubts.
No doubts. So children, listen again. What we have done. Question number 1. We have to write the integral part and decimal part. So what is the integral part? The number that is to the left side of the decimal point, that is integral part. And after the decimal point, that is the decimal part. So that's that question number 1. Now question number 2, what we have done, children, here, convert the following into fraction. So what do you do? First step, write the number without any decimal point. So first question, we will write 256. No decimal point will be there in the numerator. Then divided by 100. Why? Because here there are 2 decimal places, 1 and 2. But if here I have only 2.5, what will be the denominator, children? I will first write
10.
very good.
10.
So children, we will write the number without any decimal point. That is 2525 divided by 10. Okay. Now do question number 3. Convert the following into
Hello.
decimals.
And 0.2. And 0.2.
0.2, ma'am.
First one only we will explain now. First we will write the number 2. Then we will check how many zeros are there in the denominator. How many are there?
1.
Only
1.
1 0. So we had to start from the back. After 1 digit, you had to place a decimal point.
Decimal point.
And there is no integral part. So what you'll do? If there is no
Have
integral
to
part,
put a
just
zero.
put 0.2.
Oh.
Okay. Now mute your device. No one will tell the answer louder. B, C, and D do alone. B, C, D alone.
Ma'am, I already finished that.
Those who have finished, please wait 2 minutes.
Ma'am,
I
I
want all the children, I want to check whether they are writing alone. Because question number A, we have discussed B, C, and D. Try to do alone.
And third one, all of them finished.
Those who finish, please wait.
Okay.
Some videos are off. Why children here? So Ahmad, we are going to discuss question number B. Question number 3, B. What's the answer? Question number B.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert the following into decimals. So question number B is 23 by 100. How we can write the answer? How many? What we had to do?
Hello.
What's the answer?
And Zia can tell.
No.
Wait. Rajan, please sit down and write. Rajan Krishna, please sit down and write.
I finished.
Finished. Ahmad, not over.
Yeah. No, ma'am, I want to write.
Yes, Zia, tell me the answer. Question number B.
And 0.23.
Yes, 0.23. See, children, we will write the numerator here. 23, 2, 3. Then we will count how many zeros are there. 2 0. So you have to place after 1, 2 digits from right side. And there is no number to the integral part. So we will write 0.23. Very good, Zia. Okay, so
And can I tell
next one. Okay, Aishwarya. Because same number. Look at the numerator is same 23. But look at the
Can I?
denominator. 1 minute, please, children. Please check here. 1000. But here it is only question number B. It was only 100. Yes, Aishwarya, what's the answer?
Yes, ma'am. It's 0.023.
0 point
023.
023. Yes, children, why? Because there are three zeros in the denominator. So you have to place a number 1, 2. But in the numerator, there is only 2 number. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 0 to the left side. So there is no part or number in integral part. So you will put there also 0. So what's the answer, children? 0.0
0.03. 23.
Is that clear? Look
Yes,
here,
ma'am,
question number
clear.
B. Here there is only 100. So we have only 1, 2. After 2 digits from the right side, we will put. Did you get the answer, Ahmad?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So question number C, 23 by 1000. So here 1, 2, 3. So if there is no number, you have to place a 0 in front. Okay. Next, Agnivesh, question number D.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to read the question.
No need. Tell me the answer. 73 by 10. You have to tell me the decimal form.
0.73.
I thought you will say like that.
Wrong. It's 7.3.
Is there any other answer?
7.073.
0.73.
0.73.
7.3.
Okay. So children, here, first what will I do? First, I have to write the numerator, 73. Then count the number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there? How
Only
many
one,
zeros
ma'am.
are there? Tell me.
Only one.
Only one. So where should I place the point? After how many digits from right side?
7.3.
After 1 digit from right side. So how to read this number?
7.3.
7.3. What's the doubt here? Some children got 0.73. Every time it will not be 0. You have to look at the number, the numerator, and look at the denominator. Here in 10, how many zeros are there? Only 1. Who was that?
Vaiga.
What's that?
Correct.
Okay, so those who were not there in the last class, what you have to do? Be regular in the class and listen carefully. Here, children, children, no problem. If you are absent for 1 day, what you have to do? See the recorded classes. And any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Now, children, write the numerator and look at the denominator. How many zeros are there? Only 1 0 means you have to place a decimal point after 1 digit. If the denominator is 100, how many zeros are there?
100.
2 zeros.
2 zeros. So after how many digits you have to place the decimal point?
2
2 zeros.
After 2 digits. After 2 digits. And if the denominator is 1000, how many zeros are there in 1000?
1.
How many zeros are there in 1000?
3 0.
3 0. Listen to the question. Okay, 3 0. So after how many digits you have to place the decimal point?
And 3.
Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, we will do question number 4 now. How to read the number.
Ma'am.
Question number 4.
Ma'am, how many questions will be there?
Now, we will see how many questions we can do. We are doing revision, my dear. So it will be helpful for you to do the test tomorrow. Is that clear?
Okay,
Write the
ma'am.
following decimals in words. So see, some children were absent last class and they were having doubt. So we are doing more questions, means we are learning this chapter. We are write the following decimals in words. Write it fast, okay? Because time, I think only. So it's very easy. Question number A, 73 point. I will not say the answer. You have to tell me. 413 point. How to read the first number?
Man.
73.5.
73.5. Okay. So children, you can write like that. Question number B and C also. So write the number in words. So write the integral part. What is that integral part? 73. 73. After that 73, we have a point. 73.5. Okay. Please continue question number B and C. By the time I will take your attendance. You have to write question number B and C also.
Okay, ma'am.
Adit Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, we will discuss the answer of question number B and C. What's the answer here, Christina? Question number B. Question number B.
Yes, ma'am. Question number B. 4,103.
My dear, count the number of digits. How many digits are there? Question number B. What is this number?
Ma'am,
430.
Okay. 400 and or you can simply write 413.
Ma'am,
445.
How to read the number after the decimal point? How we have to write? 45. Okay. 413.45. 45.
Ma'am, can I tell C question?
Question number C. Tell me.
0.73.
Ma'am, G and
0.73. 0.73. Is that clear, children? Very easy. Before the decimal point, the integral part, you have to write as normal, 73. Here it is 413. Here it is 0. But after the decimal point, you have to separate the digits. Here only 5. Here you have to read 4, 5. Here 7, 3. Only that much. Is that easy?
0.73.
Okay, so tomorrow we can have a test on chapter decimals. So those children who has not completed any of the questions, I will send the workbook. I will send it today. Please revise the chapter workbook. Okay, and tomorrow we will have a test. Maybe sometimes it will be a written test, sometimes it will be a Google form. What do you have to do? You have to prepare all the questions from chapter 10 decimals, and we have done today revision. Okay, children. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.